Agro.Bio develops innovative products that increase crop yield, enhance profitability, and improve agricultural efficiency. Optimal fertilizer selection is one of the key factors in agricultural effectiveness. Agro.Bio products are an excellent way to improve the absorption of various fertilizers, alleviate plant stress, and achieve high yields even in hot and dry weather conditions. The company's innovations are based on natural, organic resources that have existed for over 70 million years. The latest patented developments by our scientists provide a comprehensive approach to solving most agricultural challenges. Agro.Bio's product line includes growth stimulators, chelated fertilizers, feed additives, as well as our own synthetic developments that yield positive results for crops. Agro.Bio's organo-synthetic fertilizers contain the highest content of humic and fulvic substances, as well as phytohormones, among other liquid fertilizers. Due to their small particle size, the suspension is effectively absorbed by plants, increasing crop yield and protecting crops from diseases. Reducing the use of synthetic protective agents and replacing them with environmentally friendly preparations that effectively protect crops from diseases and stresses without harmful effects on the environment is a pressing task in agricultural production. The action of feed additives optimizes metabolic exchange, contributing to increased milk productivity, decreased anemia, and cytolysis. Pigs experience at least a 6% increase in hemoglobin, improved liver function, and normalized cytolysis and protein metabolism. Animals show a good level of amino nitrogen. Laboratory data obtained confirms the positive impact on live weight gain in chickens, lipid and mineral metabolism. This increases disease resistance. Agro.Bio microfertilizers simultaneously act as plant fertilizers and agrochemicals for the soil, enhancing the effects of other mineral fertilizers. The effectiveness of using Agro.Bio products in agriculture is confirmed by numerous studies, accumulated experience, European certifications, and even established records. Potassium humate. Potassium humate from Agro.Bio is a complex and high-tech combination of humic and fulvic acids. This product is easy to use, perfectly soluble, and highly effective. The starting material for its production is a special brown carbonaceous substance called lenadite. After numerous studies, our company's employees have developed unique solutions, making lenadite humates and fulvates economically beneficial for farmers. Potassium humate plus phosphorus is an environmentally safe complex fertilizer and growth stimulant for organically grown agricultural plants, without the use of chlorides. It is compatible with most types of traditional fertilizers and pesticides. What does this complex provide for plants? Potassium humate increases the absorption of fertilizers and the transportation of substances within the plant. This is an excellent investment, low cost per hectare and excellent efficiency of the product. Agro.Bio's potassium humate significantly improves seed germination, enhances root system development, and facilitates the absorption of other mineral fertilizers. In the soil, the product stimulates the root system and contributes to its fertility. When applied to the leaves, humate enhances the action of pesticides and fertilizers. Potassium humate plus phosphorus is the best solution in terms of cost effectiveness. With minimal expenses, you will obtain the maximum potential from your plants. Mind Agro.Bio. Mind Agro.Bio is a comprehensive growth stimulator with a balanced action. The composition of substances contained in the product promotes increased crop yield and improved fertilizer assimilation. This product is widely used in modern technologies for growing grain crops, vegetable crops such as cucumbers, tomatoes, peppers, cabbage, carrots, and eggplants. It is also used for technical crops, tobacco, cotton, essential oil varieties of roses, indoor plants, and others. Mind is particularly effective when applied to seeds. Oxalic acid, which is included in the composition of the product, is responsible for providing energy exchange in plant cells, preserving their youth and activity even under stressful conditions. Dimethylpyridine oxide, successfully used for adapting the genetic apparatus and protein synthesis under stress conditions. This is especially important for crops grown in soils with radionuclides, heavy metals, and other mutagens. Protection of DNA and RNA ensures normal cell functioning under extreme loads. Potassium humates and fulvates, biogenic microelements, activate the transport of moisture and nutrients in the plant, promoting the development of a powerful root system. The Mind Growth Stimulator from Agro.Bio accelerates ripening and increases the yield of early harvest by up to 30%. The complex action of the growth stimulator enhances the activity of the root system, fights against stress, and ensures the stable functioning of plant enzymes. The feature of the product is the reduction of plant diseases and the decrease in the content of nitrates, heavy metals, and radionuclides in fruits. Mind is created with the aim of increasing crop yields. Totem Agro.Bio. Totem Agro.Bio is the best solution for increasing the size of fruits and prolonging active vegetation. Totem Agro.Bio is a micro-fertilizer capable of slowing down plant aging, enhancing the formation of fruit sets, and preventing their shedding. The application of the stimulator allows for a several-fold increase in the growth period of annual plants. This allows for the maintenance of fruiting in cucumbers, tomatoes, and other vegetable crops, even in hot conditions. One of the main active ingredients of the Totem Agro.Bio growth stimulator is ethanoic acid, which stimulates growth, metabolism, and respiration of plants. Ethanoic acid promotes the enhancement of above-ground plant growth at the beginning of vegetation, as well as the extension of the fruiting period and initiation of the plant rejuvenation process. Humic and fulvic acids, which are also present in our product, contribute to the assimilation of nutrients by plants and activation of their hormonal system. The application of the growth stimulator significantly increases the leaf area. The application of the stimulator on grain crops has led to an increase in the time of plant formation by 10 to 14 days, enlargement of the bush, the formation of a large number of full grains, and high yields in conditions of water deficiency and stress. Totem Agro.Bio significantly improves the efficiency of nitrogen fertilizer assimilation and reduces the cost of production. The best results of the product are shown in conditions of intensive agriculture with high fertilizer application rates. The low hectare application rate of the stimulator makes it a very cost-effective investment in crop production. Totem Agro.Bio stimulator is the ideal solution for most traditional crops in conditions of stress, heat, and drought. Adept Agro.Bio. Adept Agro.Bio is a product created by our specialists based on the life products of mushroom micromycetes, and this plant biostimulant has a wide range of effects. Thanks to its high content of active substances, Adept Agro.Bio guarantees an increase in crop yield by 11 to 24%, improving the quality of the initial product. Adept represents a true revolution in the growth stimulants market. Our preparation is a unique combination of a complex of natural soil stimulants with the life products of plant mushroom micromycetes. The active substance of this regulator is a balanced complex of biologically active substances of natural origin, such as phytohormones, auxins, cytokinins, gibberellins, and polysaccharides, together with amino acids. The preparation increases seed germination energy and field emergence, promotes the development of the root system, and increases plant resistance to diseases and stress factors. Thus, Adept Agro.Bio enhances the effect of fertilizers and micronutrients, promoting the development of a powerful and branched root system. The uniqueness of our preparation lies in the combination of growth stimulants with humates and fulvates, which mutually enhance each other. Another important effect of the Adept Agro.Bio preparation is the increase in natural plant plasticity. Thanks to its use, the adaptive capabilities of vegetable, grain, and fruit crops increase. Plants better withstand drought and frost. Adept reduces the phytotoxic effect of pesticides, allowing for a reduction in the rates of plant protection products to the minimum recommended by the manufacturer. Thus, we achieve maximum economic effect with minimal processing costs. Plants are much less susceptible to pests and diseases. Adept Agro.Bio enhances the action of fertilizers and micronutrients, increases plant resistance to adverse climatic conditions, improves photosynthesis and leaf development. The product allows for a reduction in the need for irrigation, significantly reducing the cost of production. The preparation is effectively used for spraying plants after weeding, loosening, and herbicide treatment. The high content of main phytohormones, amino acids, and polyunsaturated fatty acids in the Adept Agro.Bio growth stimulant ensures an increase in yield and its quality. After using the preparation, the dry matter content in fruits increases by 16 to 22%, and the sugar content in grape juice increases by 10 to 15%. The implementation of Adept Agro.Bio in agriculture promises to become an integral tool for modern agricultural production. Imperium Agro.Bio. Imperium Agro.Bio contains a balanced set of growth regulators in a readily accessible form for plants, stabilizes the phytohormonal state of plants, activates enzymatic systems, and increases photosynthesis productivity. As a result of using the Imperium product, the economic properties of plants are improved, namely, field germination and seedling vigor are increased by 10%. The growth of young plants and their root system is accelerated. Plants become more resistant to diseases, frost, drought, and pesticide stress. Winter hardiness of winter crops increases, and spring vegetation begins earlier. Soil fertility is restored by increasing the number of beneficial microorganisms and activating their life processes. Crop yield is increased by at least 15%. The quality of the produced goods is improved. The product contains humic and fulvic acids, as well as a synthetic compound called acyl homoserine lactone, which is a bacterial mediator involved in the long-distance transmission of signals between bacteria colonizing the phytosphere and between bacteria and plants. The product is intended for use in crop farming, vegetable gardening, horticulture, and floriculture to activate plant growth processes that contribute to their development even in unfavorable weather conditions. Imperium is suitable for use in both closed and open ground. The product contains a complex mineral organic nature with a special structure and increased ability to penetrate plant cells. The complex growth stimulator Imperium plays a key role in activating and regulating the plant's immune system. Imperium from Agro.Bio is a bioproduct with systemic action, possessing growth stimulator and immunomodulatory properties to respond to various external stresses. Our product has a number of unique effects that have no analogues among plant growth stimulants or so-called adaptogens that increase resistance to stresses, including drought, high and low temperatures, pathogen attacks, and other influences. It also promotes active growth and development, intensifies photosynthesis, and enhances fruit ripening. Amino Energy plus Potassium Humate. Amino Energy plus Potassium Humate, the best way to overcome plant stress. Amino Energy is a stress-relieving agent that enhances plant growth and development, as well as increases their resistance to unfavorable factors. Stress always slows down plant growth. This is their way of survival in unfavorable conditions. Drought, frost, sudden temperature changes, heat, and pesticides. All of this hinders plant growth. And this always leads to losses in yield, profit, and invested efforts. We cannot completely eliminate stress factors, but we can make it so that the plant does not notice the stress. Specialists from our company have developed a new comprehensive growth stimulator. Amino Energy, Agro.Bio, contains effective plant growth stimulators, such as N-dimethylurea, which affect the roots and promote nitrogen transport and protein synthesis in plants. The action is enhanced by humic and fulvic acids, which effectively stimulate root growth and seed germination energy. The preparation maintains hormonal balance in the plant and root development, as it is in the root tips that cytokinin synthesis occurs, a phytohormone responsible for cell division and development of the above-ground part of the plant. The modern developments of our specialists allow achieving high and stable yields in any weather. Amino Energy Agro.Bio contains an innovative complex of growth stimulators. Thanks to the unique combination of stimulators, Amino Energy Agro.Bio guarantees a 50 to 60% increase in yield, giving it better quality. The dry matter content in the fruits increases by 15 to 22%. The quality of wheat grains and gluten content also increase. Thanks to the use of the preparation in conditions of water deficiency, plants continue to grow actively, accumulating sugar and proteins. Treating plants with the preparation during the vegetation period is the best way to effectively and inexpensively get the maximum from each plant in any conditions. Visit the official website of Agro.Bio Company to get more detailed information.